George, what do you make of this? I'll arm it. Okay, watch what it's doing. It's going back and forth. It's going back and forth between these two and these two. Forward and back, and then right and left. It's just alternating. See, watch. Put it on slow. See that? I'm not sure what that is. Do it again. So, I don't know. And then before that happened, I was hovering, you know, a good 10 inches off the carpet, and it was spin real fast one direction. Now everything's reset, everything's trimmed to 0, so I don't know what would cause it, but the direction seemed normal. So any thoughts, let me know.